Bansal.
And my name is Tejas Jindal.
From Shri Chaitanya Techno School, branch Tohana.
Grade 7.
And this activity is suggested by Mr. Dharmendra sir. And today we'll tell you about the volcanic eruption by a working model. The volcano is a vent or opening from the earth's crust from where the molten magma erupts.
And the plates we use to make this model are
The sodium stearate,
and sodium bicarbonate, red and orange color, and soda liquid.
So now we'll do this interesting experiment. So let's start. So first we'll add sodium stearate in it.
Like this. So we are adding 2 pouches of sodium stearate here. And then some baking soda.
Then we'll add some baking soda.
3 pouches.
So now we'll add the soda liquid in it, and you will be able to see that how. And see, you are able to see that how the volcano is being erupted.